10 questions available to folks. Sir Kamran, to come and have this competition, kaise
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Moving toward the very first question of the day from the Oxford team. The first question is, where is the Takhtbai Buddhist monastery located? Takhtbai Buddha ki khanqa kaha waqia hai? Sorry, question number 694. 694. Where is the Takhtbai Buddhist monastery located?
Mardan.
Very good, very great answer. Clap for them. Question number 462. Which Islamic country hosts the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC?
Saudi Arabia, Jeddah.
The great one, great answer. Clap for them. The third question of the day is, which vegetable is known as the king of vegetables? सब्जियों का बादशाह कौन सा है? May I repeat the question? Which vegetable is known as the king of vegetables?
Is it vegetable?
हाँ, vegetable, बिल्कुल.
Potato.
Exactly, potato is the great answer. The next question is 489. Which country is the largest exporter of coal?
Australia.
Australia, very good answer. The very next question of the day is, when was the second constitution of Pakistan implemented?
1962.
Brilliant. 1962 is the correct answer. No clapping for them. Question number 435 is, which Libyan leader ruled from 1969 to 2011? 2011 से, ready for the answer?
Muammar Gaddafi.
Muammar Gaddafi is the right answer. The very next question is, what is the formula for sulfuric acid?
H2SO4.
H2SO4, बिल्कुल. The next question is, which organ controls the function of the body?
Brain.
Brain is the correct answer. Second last question of the day is, which organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria is the right answer. Last question is from the Oxfordian team. That is, which Muslim scientist considered the pioneer in algebraic solution?
Al-Khwarizmi.
Is the right answer. Exactly. Thank you. Oxfordian team is qualified to the next round. Play for them. Thank you so much. The next team I would like to call the team of Erudite Institute of English Language and Computer Technology. I would like another innocent guy to come and pick up 10 questions from this bar. Erudite team is requested to come on a dais. Our names are Mr. Danish and Nimra. Laiba. Mr. Danish and Laiba. The very first question from the Erudite team is, question number is 529. Which desert is the coldest in the world?
Gobi Desert.
Gobi Desert. Second question of the day is 239. What is the formula for hydrochloric acid?
HCl.
Is the correct answer. Clap for them. Question number 3 is, which element is found in all organic compounds? May I repeat the question? Which element is found in all organic compounds?
Carbon.
Exactly, the right answer. Question number 297. What is the unit of work?
Joule.
हाँ, joule. J is the symbol. सही है हाँ. Question number 182. Which surah begins with the oath of time? No.
Surah Asr.
Surah sir, kindly do not answer, please. You can have answer with yourselves, but not speak loudly. The next question is question number 570. Who is called the father of modern surgery? Question number 570. 570.
Al-Zahrawi.
Al-Zahrawi is the correct answer. Huge clap for them. MashaAllah, consecutively 5 by 5. Zabardast. Question number 296. What is the process of changing a liquid into a solid called? What is the process of changing a liquid into a solid called? माया को ठोस में तब्दील करने के अमल को क्या कहते हैं?
Freezing.
Freezing. शाबाश. Next question is question number 196. What is the total number of districts in Pakistan?
154.
154 is the correct answer. Very good, Shabazz. Second last question of the day is, this is question number 537. Which is the second largest country by area? रकबे के लिहाज से दुनिया का दूसरा बड़ा मुल्क कौन सा है?
Canada.
Is the correct one. Of course, Canada is the correct answer. Last question from this stream is question number 210. What is the chemical symbol for iron? लोहे का अलामती निशान क्या है?
Fe.
Is the right answer. Very good, Sambas. Clap for them. Qualifying to the next round. The next team to be here with me, that is Coventry Institute of English Language and Computer Technology, who have hosted all these. Clap for the Coventry Institute of English Language and Computer Technology, where we are asking the questions and we have held this competition, that is the Coventry. For this, I would like to call Sir Muhammad Bilal to be here on the dais to ask questions from the Coventry team. Please come forward. Coventry team students, please come forward. Clap for the students.
बाचाई द जहान सके जान लवले ज़्यादा गम द इंसाफ तलल मुश्किल दी सब ज़्याद की सब कम कामरान से खलारे दसरा तराजू and you had to carry it on, but anyways you wish to bring us in the complication, so let's be it. Counting. Question number 1 from the Coventry Institute of English Language and Computer Technology. 614. Judges 614. Which vegetable is the national vegetable of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान की कौमी सब्जी कौन सी है?
Lady finger.
Lady finger is the right answer. Question number 2, 233. 233. What is the freezing point of water? पानी का नुक्ते what? निमाद क्या है? उर्दू is quite
0 centigrade.
0 सेंटीग्रेड. और उर्दू असल में मेरे साथ मसला नहीं है. उर्दू अगर if I'm not wrong ये कीचड़ी है, कीचड़ से ले गए. So it's not easy to have learn Urdu. Anyways, let's have the question number 174. 174. Which surah mentions the splitting of the moon? शक्लुल कमर. किस सूरह में चांद के दो टुकड़े होने का जिक्र है?
Surah Qamar.
सूरह कमर is the right answer. Question number 100. 100. What is the name of Pakistan's first constitution? पाकिस्तान का पहला आइन कौन सा था?
1956.
1956 is the right answer. Contestant, be very active. सोना नहीं है, सोना नहीं. आप लोगों ने जागे रहना है. कल रात पी के सो जाते, कल तो आप पढ़ाई कर रहे थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 309, जजेस प्लीज। 309, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द प्रॉफिट्स आदम अलैहिस्सलाम वाइफ? हजरत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम की अहलिया का नाम क्या था?
Hawa.
Hawa is right answer. May I ask you a level please? Which level do you study? Which level do you study? अच्छा, हैस मैक्स वेस्ट। अच्छा, थोड़ा आराम करें, जल्दी ना करें आप, है ना। मैं बाद में कुछ नहीं कर सकूंगा, आप बहुत जल्दी माइक को पिक कर लेते हैं। बी वेरी काम एंड बी वेरी रिलैक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, विच कंपेनियन वॉज नोन एज द स्क्राइब ऑफ द कुरान? कुरान के लिखने वाले सहाबी कौन थे?
Zaid bin Sabit.
ज़ैद बिन
Sabit.
साबित इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 389, 389, विच एनिमल स्लीप्स द मोस्ट इन अ डे? और ये कौन बख्तवर है? कौन सा जानवर दिन में सबसे ज्यादा सोता है?
Koala.
कोआला इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 सर। यस सर, 8। 314, व्हाट इज द वर्ड दैट डिस्क्राइब्स एन एक्शन? वो कौन सा लफ्ज है जो अमल को बयान करता है?
Verb.
वर्ब इज द राइट आंसर। कंटेस्टेंट्स, आप लोगों से बड़ा गिला हो रहा है। अच्छा, ये गेस्ट है, आप एक दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 136 जजेस, व्हाट इज द मेन क्रॉप ऑफ पाकिस्तान? पाकिस्तान की बुनियादी फसल कौन सी है?
Wheat.
Wheat is the right answer. Question number 101. Question number 101 and question number 10. Sorry, question number 10. Which river is the longest in Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का सबसे लंबा दरिया कौन सा है?
Indus River.
Indus River, and that is the right answer. 10 out of 10. Clap for them. Thank you guys. For the next quiz of the segment, I would like to call the PMS girls to be here with me, and let's have this competition. Clap for them. स्कर्दू में वाक़िया किला कौन सा है?
Skardu Fort.
Skardu Fort is the right answer. Question number 2, 78. Question number 78. Sir Kamran may have a chair, please. Who was the first person to lead Salah after the Prophet? नबी के बाद पहली नमाज किसने पढ़ाई?
Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq.
Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu is the right answer. Question number 3, 458. Sir Salman, 458. Which Islamic country has the largest area? रकबे के लिहाज से सबसे बड़ा इस्लामी मुल्क कौन सा है?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan is the right answer. Question number 461. 461. What is the currency of the United Arab Emirates? मुत्तहिदा अरब इमारात की करेंसी क्या है?
Dirham.
Dirham is the right answer. 534. 534. Which continent has the most countries? किस बर-ए-आज़म में सबसे ज़्यादा ममालिक हैं?
Africa.
Africa is the right answer. Question number 190. 190. When was the first census held in Pakistan? पाकिस्तान में पहली मर्दमशुमारी कब हुई?
1951.
1951 is the right answer. Question number 8 from them, and it is 299. 299. What is the force that slows down a moving object? वो वक्त जो हरकत करते हुए जिस्म को सुस्त करती है क्या कहलाती है?
Can you repeat the question?
In English or Urdu?
English.
English. What is the force that slows down a moving object?
Friction.
Friction is the right answer. Question number 400. 400. Which insect is known for its ability to jump long distances? वो कीड़ा जो लंबी छलांग लगाने के लिए मशहूर है, कौन है?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper is the right answer. Question number 10. 70. With me it's 90. Sir Kamran, count it. It's all yours. आप नहीं बताएं, मैंने नहीं हाँ count it first. Count it कभी खबील किया था कम take one more. Let's go with the 9 one, right? 70. Which prophet was known for his extraordinary patience? किस नबी को सब्र के लिए मशहूर किया जाता है? Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam for his great patience. Is that one is left? Give me any one question from there. No. I asked this. Next. Kamran said this insaf talal mushkil li. 291. 10th question. What is the natural satellite of the earth? ज़मीन का कुदरती सियारा कौन सा है?
The moon.
The moon is the right answer. With this, I would like to fly on the Peshawar Model students' kids, and I would definitely welcome the next team, Deer Welfare Organization, the tree under which we are here today for this segment. The host team, Deer Welfare Organization, clap for these little stars, the two little princes may be here with us. Question number 478. What country is the largest producer of natural gas? किस मुल्क में सबसे ज़्यादा कुदरती गैस पाया जाता है? या पहला होता है, पैदा होता है दलता अमेरिका. चाहे कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, अमेरिका ही है. लेट्स गो विद द क्वेश्चन 476. क्वेश्चन गलत भी हो जाए, अमेरिका सारे जानते हैं. विच कंट्री हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट रिजर्व्स ऑफ क्रूड ऑयल? किस मुल्क के पास खाम तेल के सबसे ज़्यादा ज़खायर हैं? उर्दू क्यों है? किस मुल्क के पास खाम तेल के सबसे ज़्यादा ज़खायर हैं? I need your appreciation. Fine. Judges agree? Let's move on. They are kids. I wish that they may have their growth. Question number 51. Which angel takes the souls of humans at the time of death? मौत के वक्त रूह कब्ज़ करने वाला फरिश्ता कौन है?
Hazrat Malik.
Judges, it's a wrong answer. They repeated the answer, but you said, sir, first answer. Sir, Mike,
use mic for the answer.
मैं जज नहीं हूँ.
Hazrat Malikul Maut.
All are agree? Be Ghani, be Sakhi, they are class 5 students. Agree? Agree? I need your leaders. You have an objection?
Is there any other answer which says Malik? Is there any other answer?
I think not. Hold on. You will not argue, guys. You will not argue, right? You are not the judges. Remember, you are not the judges. Judges there. Kamran, agree? Tadi Allah Raza ki. हाँ हाँ, आपने काट दिए मार्क्स कामरान। May I? Azan is there. 292. Question number 292. Clapping नहीं करनी अजान है. What is the sound above human hearing range called? वो आवाज़ जो इंसानी सुनने की हद से ज़्यादा हो क्या कहलाती है?
Ultrasound.
Ultrasound is the right answer. Next question. अजान हो रही है. 81. Who was the first person to compile the Quran? कुरान को सबसे पहले किसने जमा किया?
Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु.
Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit. Well done. Question number 305. What is the instrument used to measure or हो सकता है मैयर सी का हो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? बरकी रू नापने का आला क्या कहलाता है?
A meter.
A meter is the right answer. Question number 619. Which fruit is known as the fruit of paradise? कौन सा फल जन्नत का फल कहलाता है?
Anar.
अनार. Question number next 485. Which country is the largest producer of gold? किस मुल्क में सबसे ज़्यादा सोना पाया जाता है या पैदा होता है?
Chin.
चीन. Mongolians. Question number 35. Who participated in all major battles alongside the Prophet? नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के साथ तमाम बड़ी जंगों में हिस्सा लेने वाले सहाबी कौन थे?
Hazrat Ali रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु.
35. Question is right, but agree? Right. Ali bin Abi Talib Razilullah anhu. Hazrat Ali is fine. Question number 610, and it is the last question, Sir Zahir Shah. I hope I'm right. Zahir Shah said last question. Which fruit is the largest in the world? दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा फल कौन सा है? दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा फल कौन सा है?
Anar.
Anar, and it is the wrong answer, but they should have great attribution to you. Being the class 5 girls, you are the proud of all the girls. May I have the next 10 questions for the Mahmood Ghaznavi School under the supervision of Sir Ghaznavi sir, please. Zahir Shah sir. The kids of Mahmood Ghaznavi. Sir Kamran. Let's come to the point, and that is, welcome guys. 553. Who is known as the father of optics? बसीरात के बानी कौन है? Judges उर्दू बानी like special checks आते हैं. Ibnul Hatham is the right answer. Question number 2. Question number 289. What is the bending of light as it passes through a medium called? जब रोशनी किसी वास्ते से गुजरते वक्त मुड़ती है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Reflection is the. Repeat. Speak clearly. Repeat and speak clearly. Spell. We may confirm the spell. Spell it.
REFLEC.
That is the wrong answer. It is refraction, not reflection. Reflection का है sir. They said reflection. They repeated, sir. They repeated, and I opened the word. I'm sorry. Spelling him galat ko, sir. Spell mistake hum, sir. We do apology and due respect. We are very neutral, sir. Not like 580. Please. Hold on, please. I'm going with the permission of. I'm just your junior leading here with your dignity and respect. Question number 583. 583. Who developed early surgical instrument? इब्तिदाई जराही आलात किसने तैयार किए? Al-Razi is again the wrong answer. Al-Zahrawi. Question number, don't lose hope, right? Be very active. आगे और भी है, right? सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है. You have to fly. 654. Be relaxed. Go with right options next. 654. Which vegetable is commonly used in stir-fry dishes? कौन सी सब्जी ज्यादातर फ्राई खानों में इस्तेमाल होती है? Potato. ظالمانو دونه تیز answer ورکوي. Potato is the wrong answer again. Sampasi. Shimla mirch. Next is 140. Shimla mirch, sir. 145. Who was the leader of All India Muslim League in 1906? 1906 में All India Muslim League के सदर कौन थे? नवाब Samiullah Khan is again the wrong answer. It is Salimullah Khan. Question number 440. Which Iranian ruler introduced the White Revolution in 1963? 1963 में किस ईरानी हुक्मरान ने सफ़ेद इनकलाब को मुतारिफ कराया? Shah Muhammad Raza Pahlavi is the right answer. Question number 286. What is the device used to measure time or measure time? जो भी सीखा है.
Clock and stopwatch.
Clock and stopwatch. ज़ालिमान उर्दू तो मैं प्रेदई करना बिया गुरब. Question number 22. Who was sent to the people of Samud? कौम समूद के लिए कौन से नबी भेजे गए थे? हजरत स्वालेह अलैहि सलाम is the right answer. Appreciate them in their ending, guys. 287. What is the process of heat transfer through a solid? किस टोस में हरारत की मुंतकिली के अमल को क्या कहते हैं? Conduction is the right answer. 95. Which city is known as the city of lights? Karachi is the right answer. And I would still pray as a teacher that you may be given provision and space. Till that, clap for them. Well done, guys. Well done. And for the last contestant, is I'm leading them, so I would definitely call Sir Kamran to come and lead the next group, the Oxford Educational System, to come in.
Welcome back to the quiz competition of 2025. This is going to be the 8th one competition. I would like to call experts under the supervision of Sir Muhammad Bilal and Sir Abdul Rahman. The very first question is question number 73. Which surah is known as the mother of Quran?
Surah Fatiha.
Exactly, this is the correct one. Okay. Question number 421. Which country has the largest land area? Usmani Sultanate के बानी कौन थे? Usmani Awwal is the correct one. The very next one is, which prophet could talk to animals and jinns? वो नबी कौन थे जो जानवर और जिन्नात से बात कर सकते थे? No answer, please. Avoid this. Exactly, the correct one. The next question is 320. What is the punctuation mark used to indicate possession?
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe is the correct one. Thank you. This. Question number 522. What is the capital of Australia? Capital of Australia.
Canberra.
Yeah, Canberra is the correct answer. Please have clap for these gentle boys. Question number 30. Which surah does not begin with Bismillah?
Surah Tawbah.
Exactly. Correct answer. Question number 556. Which Muslim scientist first described blood circulation?
Jabir bin Hayyan.
And this is the
Ibn al-Nafis.
first answer is the last answer, and this is the wrong spelling is WRONG. Wrong answer. Okay, आपको भी देता हूँ, और भी क्वेश्चंस है. Next question is 626. Which fruit is known as for its bright red color and juicy seeds?
Anar.
Anar is the correct one. The next one is 629. Which fruit has the highest water content? किस फल में सबसे ज्यादा पानी होता है?
Watermelon.
Is the correct one. And last question from this is, which city is famous for sports good? कौन सा शहर खेलों के सामान के लिए मशहूर है?
Sialkot.
Sialkot. Thank you so much for this. You can leave. Clap for them. The next contestant of the day, I would like to call Edwardians for the 9th one competition. I would like you to clap for the Edwardians. Clap for the Edwardians to come. I would like to call Miss Mariam and Mr. Syed Johar to come for the competition.
303. Sir Kamran, if you want to perform prayer, you can go. What is the device used to measure atmospheric pressure?
Barometer.
Sorry?
Barometer.
Barometer. It's fine answer. Which mountain range is the longest in Pakistan? 143?
Karakoram Range.
Karakoram range is the right answer. Question number 568. Who calculated the Earth's circumference? ज़मीन के कतर की पैमाइश किसने की? Al-Biruni is the right answer. Question number 538. Which country has longest coastline? किस मुल्क की सबसे तवील साहिली पट्टी है?
Canada.
Canada is the right answer. Question number 12. Which prophet's staff turned into a serpent? वो नबी कौन थे जिनका आसा सांप में तब्दील हुआ? हजरत मूसा अलैहि सलाम is the right answer. Question number 624. Which vegetable is known for making people cry when cut?
Onion.
Onion is the right answer. Next is 276. What is the lifespan of a red blood cell?
120 days.
120 days is the right answer. Do clapping, guys. 56. How many wings did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, see angel Jabril with?
600.
600 is the right answer. And the last or 9, sir? Second last. 700. Which historical gate in Lahore is the most famous? लाहौर का सबसे मशहूर तारीखी दरवाज़ा कौन सा है?
Delhi Gate.
Delhi Gate is the right answer. Last 559. What is Afia Siddiqui's field for specialization?
Neurosciences.
Neuroscience is the right answer. And with this, hats off to the Edwardians. Thank you, guys.